Hey everybody, welcome back to the Traveling to See channel. We've got a review for you today. Hey, we love to travel, love to share. Traveling is great on land, sea, and air. Come with us as we go and see together how much better our traveling can be. Another New Orleans, Louisiana video, the Audubon Nature Institute. The zoo, aquarium, insectarium, parks, and conservation. The Audubon Nature Institute is located in the Audubon Park on Magazine Street, and the aquarium is on Canal Street along with the Insectarium. Let's learn about the Audubon Nature Institute. What is it? The Audubon Nature Institute is doing a world of good by linking conservation efforts that protect endangered species, habitats, and nature to experience that spark of individual action. We do this through an engaging family of facilities, public spaces, events, and experiences, sustainability initiatives, and conservation programs. We've got the zoo, the aquarium, the insectarium, parks, and conservation programs. Got a lot going on. It's an awesome aquarium. The insectarium and the aquarium have new updates. Here is the website. You can learn about the Audubon Nature Institute and the hours of the various facilities and their purpose. Finding things better than they found them. Nothing wrong about that. And everything comes back to conservation. Your visit makes a difference. So by visiting and supporting helps their organization do all their good works. And you can volunteer there as well. You can get membership and you can donate. Here's more about the Audubon Nature Institute. You can learn about their leadership and their meetings, upcoming events, programs, and camps they host an event, vendor resources, community outreach. They do a lot of weddings in the park, a lot of weddings. Wonderful venue. So now, again, we've got the Audubon Park and the zoo there in the park. And over by the French Quarter is the Insectarium and the aquarium. So let's take a look at the zoo. The Audubon Zoo. Here's the TripAdvisor review on the zoo, rated very highly in uptown New Orleans. There's a picture of the zoo. And Yelp also rates the Audubon Zoo very highly, but of course. So now let's take a look at the web page for the Audubon Zoo. Open daily 10 to 5. Last entry is at 4:30. And that's daily, every day. And they've got some Wings of the World exhibits and the orangutans. And you can learn about upcoming events as well. So a lot to see. If you're interested in seeing a more detailed video, put some comments below and let me know, and we can work on that. Okay, now here's some pictures in and around the zoo. Check these out. Now, let's take a look at the aquarium. The aquarium and the insectarium are now housed together, but the aquarium, again, rated very highly on TripAdvisor. 400,000 gallon aquarium. And the Yelp also rates it fairly well. It's really a great aquarium. Sure is. And here's their website. Tell you about the updates that they've made. Again, daily 10 to 5. And that's every day, Monday through Sunday. One of the 10 best aquariums in the USA. It's the lionfish, pot-bellied seahorse, and you can see more about upcoming events and things there. And again, if you want to see a detailed video, let me know. Put it in the comments below. Here's some pictures in and around the aquarium. Check these out. So now, let's take a look at the Insectarium that's located there with the aquarium. The Insectarium, this is newly renovated. You can see rated very highly in TripAdvisor. Located on Canal, and 50 displays. And here's their website. You can see more information on it. Again, 10 to 5 every day on 1 Canal Street. Basically, they took the IMAX theater out, amongst other things, and have upgraded this new Insectarium. Definitely worth checking out. Here's some pictures in and around the Insectarium. Check these out. Now the last thing we want to take a look at is the Audubon Park itself. So here's the Audubon Parks. Here's a look at the map of the park grounds. See, they've got a golf course as well. Audubon Park rated very highly. Beautiful venue. They have a lot of weddings there, as I said, and rated very highly on Yelp as well. And here's their website. They've got trails. There's the golf course. Clubhouse Cafe at the golf course. They got sports fields. They got Audubon Park, Riverview Park, Nature Center, Wallenberg Park, Audubon Wilderness Park. Tennis, a lot to offer, that's for sure. Here's a few pics. Nature trails and riding stables too. So how about tickets? Where can you get tickets? Well, they're at the website. You can see about tickets. They've got single admission. They've got 2 attraction combos. And they've got multiple attraction, 3 attraction combos as well. Zoo, Aquarium, and Insectarium. Or you can also investigate membership. $65 a person. And if you have membership, I believe you get year-round access to all 3 venues, and there is no charge for Audubon Park. Hey, some of our other YouTube channel friends have some great videos worth checking out about the parks, aquarium, insectarium, and zoo. First is the Audubon Park 4K Walk New Orleans Tour. That's by the Free Tours by Foot New Orleans YouTube channel. They always have great videos, and it gives you you can watch the video while you're actually walking through the park. Great. Next is the first look at the new Audubon Aquarium and Insectarium in New Orleans. It was just 10 days ago by the NOLADEEJ. And that'll tell you all about the new aquarium and insectarium. So check that video out. And then this last video is an overview of the Audubon Zoo. That's from January 2022. Most recent that's really worth watching and check it out as well. And Traveling to See, this YouTube channel has other New Orleans related videos on our channel. You can check out the playlist at the end of the video. If you're new to New Orleans or you need some visitor information, a lot happens in New Orleans, of course, but go to NewOrleans.com and you can find out about things to do, about visitor information, what's happening in the city, more events, some hotel packages, things to do, traveling in New Orleans, off the beaten path, weekend picks, places to eat, which there are some awesome places to eat in New Orleans, we all know that, and drinks as well, and places to stay. So NewOrleans.com, it'll really give you the information you need. Check that out. So sure hope this was entertaining for you, worth your time. These are worth seeing. The zoo, aquarium, insectarium, and parks. There in the park is on Magazine Street, and the aquarium and insectarium is on Canal. So comment below, share your experiences. Have you seen them? Are you planning to go? Let us know. Keep traveling. Keep watching. See you in the next one.